This is one of my favorite species, and I've been seeing it for many years. It's called Streblus asper, and it is one of the great survivor. This one is so badly abused. Any other tree would have given up and died, but this one didn't. What has happened? I think it regularly got grazed and then chopped again and again. So the tree has made a nice strategy. That is, it shrank all the leaves to tiny size. Then all the stems and all became more succulent. So nothing, it's difficult to eat it as such. It's a very tasty plant for this herbivores and all, native of India. And it is the amount of abuse this Streblus asper can tolerate is truly amazing. I've seen some of them most badly abused, but surviving nevertheless. And they used to make it into shapes and all, cut it into shapes and all in parks and all in the olden days. Nowadays that's not fashionable, and these elephants and all love this species, Streblus asper.